To many struggling families in the Halton and Hamilton region, Christmas is just another day. Those families will have no presents under the tree, no stockings full of treats, and no visit from Santa Claus. So when Santa can't come and deliver presents, we take it upon ourselves to put the magic back in the Christmas season. This past month, our students have worked tirelessly to build over 250 wooden trucks, planes, trains, easels, and more to give to those in need of some Christmas cheer. Now it is finally time to assemble these toys. However, our workers cannot do it alone. We need your help. On Saturday, December 8th, Corpus Christi is hosting our 2018 Toy Shop, where we need your help in assembling and painting over 250 toys for children. In Burlington and Hamilton, we need to help children get the Christmas that they truly deserve. It's a great event for all ages. In the Corpus Toy Shop, there's always something to do. There will even be food and drinks provided at lunch. So if you want a chance to give back to your community this season, then come on down to the 2018 Corpus Christi Toy Shop, where you can give a child an old-fashioned Christmas.